Fluffy American buttermilk pancakes, tasting golden, thick, and made fresh for America.
Hey y'all, my first 3 recipes were loved by all American brothers and sisters. Thank you.
Here are every single ingredient you need for this recipe.
Everything is organized and ready. Hey, let's make the fluffiest pancakes ever.
All dry ingredients go into the bowl. Whisk them together gently now.
2 eggs cracked and whisked smooth. Whoa, golden and ready to go.
Buttermilk, eggs, melted butter, vanilla, all wet ingredients whisked together beautifully. Fold it gently, do not overmix. Lumps in the batter are perfect.
Look at that perfect thick batter.
Ooh, lumpy is exactly what we want. Rest the batter 5 minutes spread. Baking powder works its magic right now. Cast iron griddle goes on medium heat fried bun. Butter melting means it is ready. Fresh butter on the griddle, hey, ready for our second beautiful batch. Water droplets dance on the griddle, ace, perfect temperature. Let us cook. 1/4 cup of batter, watch it spread into a perfect circle. Four pancakes on the griddle triddle, each one perfectly spaced and sizzling. One clean flip. Look at that perfect golden underside right there.
Look at those bubbles forming. Aye. That means it is almost time to flip.
Flip them all, Vide. 4 perfect golden pancakes sizzling on the griddle. First batch is done. Array. Look at those gorgeous golden fluffy pancakes. Second batch with fresh blueberries pressed right in. Watch the magic happen. Blueberry pancakes flipped perfectly. All 8 pancakes done and beautiful. Building that beautiful stack of blueberry. 6 perfect fluffy pancakes rising up tall. Butter pat on top says, watch it melt beautifully right now.
Pure maple syrup. Oh, watch it pour over our beautiful pancake stack.
Fresh blueberries and strawberries up. The most beautiful breakfast you will ever see. Powdered sugar dusting like snow falling on our beautiful pancakes.
Fluffy American buttermilk pancakes, bliss. Golden, thick, and absolutely breathtaking.
Look at that fluffy interior. Oh, every layer is perfectly light and airy.
Oh my goodness, just fluffy, buttery, maple sweet perfection. Thank you, America.
Fluffy American buttermilk pancakes, made fresh with love for all of America. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.